Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Akuya Says Relax, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. So today I decided to make an Ayurvedic gel, and I'm starting off by using some hibiscus, as you can see in the bowl, and then I'm only using 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, but then you can use more if you want to make more gel. So I'm going to start off with using 250 milliliters of water, which is about 1 cup of water, and I'm putting this on the stove, and then I'm just going to add my flaxseed into the pan. So what you're going to do is you're also going to put the fire on medium heat. It shouldn't be too high, and then you just take your lid and then you cover it and wait for it to boil. So as you can see, it's boiling, so I'm just coming to cover it right now, and then I'm going to wait for about 5 minutes, and then I'll check the gel to see how far it's going. So as you can see, it's really boiling, but then how you know the gel is ready is you're supposed to wait to see a bit of like a stringiness on your wooden spoon or whatever you're using to stir the gel. So now you can see how stringy the gel has become, and this means that it's ready. So I'm just going to stir it for a bit, then I'm going to turn off the heat, and then I'll add my hibiscus. So that's the hibiscus, and I'm putting it into the gel. So now I'm just stirring everything. The heat is, I turned off the heat, so I'm just going to wait for it to cool. So guys, this is the final results. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to show you guys how I strained this, and this is because I thought I was recording it, but then I wasn't. But then I just used a see-through cloth, or I really like cloth, or if you have a sieve you can use that too, and then you just make sure that all the gel comes out, and then you throw the flaxseed away, or you can use it for something else if you want to. So I really hope you guys enjoy this short tutorial, and there are a lot of benefits to using the hibiscus. It helps to promote hair growth. It also moisturizes your hair, and unlike Eco Styler, which leaves white particles in your hair, this actually moisturizes your hair, and it doesn't leave any white spots or anything which will like bother you. So I also decided to insert a picture to show you guys how the gel worked on my hair, and for to be honest with you guys, I think it did a pretty good job, because this isn't like a company gel or like a manufactured gel. It's an all natural gel, and it was able to hold down the hair pretty good, and on top of that too, it left my hair very, very moisturized. I keep emphasizing on this because I was actually a bit surprised by how moisturizing the results of this gel was. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my video, and please leave comments down below whether you tried this gel and how it worked for you. I would like to know. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.